This year marks the 25th year of the CoSE Student Project Showcase. The showcase started in 1998 and was held every year without interruption until 2020 when the COVID-19 pandemic upended all our worlds. But when we came back stronger than ever. We've had more abstract and project submissions than ever before, and we don't seem to be losing any steam. The showcase has become a signature event for the college. Whenever we as administrators or fundraisers go out in the public to promote our college, we always include and highlight this event. Not because of anything that we do in the dean's office, but because of the excellent work that you, the students, and your faculty mentors do in your research labs, out in the field, in the garages, wherever your scientific curiosity and purpose have taken you.
So it's your turn now to present.
For sure.
How do you feel about that?
Feeling good, feeling ready.
Yeah, but I don't know. I'm just excited. Just feeling,
What time you went to sleep last night?
Oh, I guess I went to bed around 12:30.
12:30?
Yeah, because we were spending like literally 13 hours at school working on this. So I came back home, ate my food, and then I'm like, I'm done. I woke up around like 8ish in the morning.
Yeah. That's how it is sometimes as an engineer.
We started, but before we do that, let's go through this exercise I do every time. So let's breathe in, breathe out. Look at the person to your left. Say, you got this. Look at the person to your right. Say, you got this. Now look at me. Say, I got this. All right, you got this. All right, good luck. I'll put the punch in.
We run some tests.
Right, each of the colleges have their...
They could all be put together, that's another whole model.
It's interesting because it would be so large.
Too large,
Like this one I wanted to move over to the new science building, but we couldn't figure out how to...
There's a lot. I'm impressed how many I didn't expect this like this many.
It's the maximum amount, which is 200, over 200 presentations, and then beyond that, we cannot house in this space. So
it's great. I didn't expect that you would have had that many.
Yeah.
That is really, congratulations.
Thank you.
Everyone, I'm just here to support my boyfriend in his project and also his friends. He's been working really hard and I'm super proud of him. I've already taken so many photos and videos as well, so it's really awesome just seeing the whole process of him creating it, showing me like what him and his group have been doing, and yeah, I'm just really excited to be here.
I'm here as a judge for the student showcase. So I'm here judging the molecular biology, microbiology posters. So I walked through about 8 of those posters, and I was able to go in and talk to each individual students and watch how they present, and then looking at the poster and see how well they put together, what are the questions that they're trying to answer, and what kind of result they get, and what plan they are going to do after they got these results.
I've sent teams of students from my lab every year, and I also love it when I have the opportunity to be a judge, because I get to see so many of the students from across the college who are doing such interesting and cool work, and it's really pretty exciting.
When we ask the judges, and you've been a judge in the past, we want them to grade them on how clear did they explain it, and we tell the judges you don't actually have to be an expert in that field. We want to make sure that non-experts can understand, the impact.
So, I'm Yanni. I was on the steel bridge team for SFSU. I actually did this for my class, graduating a civil engineer student, so it's 696, 697. And We competed in mid-pack, so this bridge was meant for the competition, the ASCE Mid-Pacific competition. All the design is based on that, and I'm so glad that we were able to just not compete there, but also come to showcase, show what we've done, you know, be recognized as, you know, a student project like builder, you know, all this labor hours we put into it.
Just wanted to thank all the judges for being very respectful and kind about our posters, and also asking thought-provoking questions. I think that there were a lot of questions that really made me think about my research past this there, and I think that's very valuable.
So like I said at the beginning, this has been like the culminating event for our school year for the college, and every year it's been better than the year before, and this year is no exception. I was talking with some of the judges, and like it was just so hard, everybody was just so great, and even some of the former students who would come back and say, like, these students are so much better than what we used to do. And so just don't let anybody tell you what you aren't. All right, you are excellent. You are the best. Okay? Just because they don't see it doesn't mean it's not there. So don't let anybody decide for you who you are, what you can do. May take a different path, may take a little longer, may take a different route. But you bring everything that's special about you to wherever you're going to be. And when you get there, it's going to make that place that much better. I made this place better. I'm just messing around. But still, honestly, I think you all are great. The students are why I do what I do, and you guys all here all work.
SF State! Engineering! Science! Biology! Chemistry! Just call out your major.